Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how to copy CapCut templates directly from the viral TikToks in just a few taps. Let's get started. So here, while scrolling TikTok, if you see a CapCut Plus, try this template above the username. It's a reusable edit. Tap that Try this template button. It will open the CapCut app immediately. Then, if you don't have CapCut, just download it first. Then inside the CapCut, tap Use Template. Then select your own photos or videos. CapCut will auto-place your clips into the exact timing and effects of the original. Hit Preview, make it tweaks that you want, then hit Export. Finally, tap Save and share your TikTok and you're done. And that's how you copy and use the CapCut templates from the viral TikToks. Super easy and super powerful. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials. Thanks for watching!